Come queen.
Okay.
Alright, me texting on reach. Airport first and then.
I got something you can't explain. La 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 la. In a metaphysical kind of way. La 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 la. There's something magic inside my veins. La 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 la. No matter what, I'ma do my thing. I'ma do my thing. Can you feel it?
Madam and Dan.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tan, say hi to the vlog. Hi. Hi, Nardia. Hey, Bob get popular, you know. People have been recognizing her in the town from the video that we did in St. Mary. So she has been more famous than I have been. So.
Auntie, a goat. A goat.
He looks so.
Yeah, that's something, you know.
Yeah, man, that's a catch a flight. Gotta catch a flight. It's on our way. Girl, hi, you're careful.
Chaman. See your belly walk. Alright. So married, man. Every time you see me, I see something you ask.
If you know I'm married,
You're not married yet?
If you know I'm married, come married to me.
You want to say that again?
If you want to get married, you just married to me, baby. You know I love you so much.
Come back, go on.
You take me out?
Yes, I'm okay.
So what's going on?
No, go on, you tell me now.
Making a movie over here?
Yeah. So you must learn to read. Right, Tanisha. If y'all want to do your hair, link this girl. And the nails. It's my cousin.
That's fine.
A charm daughter.
I'm marking face.
Time to get my ass on the bus.
And I take you both of the seat.
Come and come up Chiquitas.
And tell me I come down next week, I take you. Buy my drive.
Where you go? Come, Mumsel.
When I fly next week.
I'm a drive, so you have to take.
Come, Georgita. Come, Queen.
Okay.
Alright, me texting on reach. Airport first and then. Oh, never go text Charm.
Text me here.
Yeah.
Okay. If it takes here.
Okay. Hey, do.
Boy.
Hey, do. Say hey, do.
Hey, do.
Hey, do.
Hey, do. Hey, do. Do. Hey, do.
Bye. Give me a kiss.
Oh, man.
Alright, later.
Alexander, big up your damn self. Let me see you again. Alright?
I'm seeing shimmers in this long-lasting dream. A made-up image, bringing back memories. Yes, I've been wasting like most of my life watching pigeons dry. I wanna take back the hours we last singing lullabies, lullabies. No one's tough when faced with time. We waste our lives lying with.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kem and Alex's channel. So as you probably have figured already, I'm at the airport and you can guess where I'm going. Yeah, I'm going to Sweden. Woo! So Alex have left Jamaica for the past 2 months now, to be exact. So we've been apart for 2 months. 2 months that feels like forever. But I mean, I have to be grateful because there are a lot of long distance couples out there that have to wait like way more than that, and luckily Alex and I have never really been apart for more than 3 months the most so far for these past years. So I'm grateful for that, and I'm also grateful that I get this opportunity again to see him once more. And yeah, I'm nervous. I don't know if you can tell. I always get nervous when I'm supposed to catch a flight, because I always see this weird shit just happening with the plane or something. But it will go well, God's will. Yeah, and most of all, I'm just excited to see Alex again. So yeah, I'm going Brussels first, so that's Belgium, and then I have to wait like 8 hours there for my connection to Stockholm. Yeah, that's gonna be a long one because this flight itself is like 10 hours, and then 8 hours of waiting to catch the next flight, which will be 2 hours more there. So that's like more than a day of traveling. So yeah, I ate already, passed customs, checked in. I'm sitting close by my gate. I have gate 13. I think I always have gate 13. So yeah, I'm just sitting at a couple gates away, just waiting. I have like, I don't know, maybe my flight leaves at 6, and it's, yeah, I have like 2 hours left before departure. Oh, do you guys like my hair, by the way? I know I showed you my cousin that did it for me, but I'm loving it. The passion twist. So yeah. So for the next 2 hours, what am I gonna do? Just walk around, keep myself active because I'm gonna be sitting for that long. So it's good to be active before sitting. And I don't know, maybe I'd call Alex, have him keep my company until it's bedtime there. Yeah, and I can show you outside. There's not much planes on this side. There's not any plane at all, actually. Just there. So yeah, as you can see, there's no plane out there, and there's no plane on the other side either. So just empty terminals. So today's actually a good day to travel. I don't know why I'm holding the camera up like these old people do when they're taking pictures, but my arm hurts. So yeah, today's actually a good day to travel for some reason. There's basically nobody at the airport, and I like that. I don't like too much traffic. I catch a lot of anxiety when I see too much people and rushing, and so it's pretty chill. I'm sitting in an area where it's basically me alone talking to a camera. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know, I'll keep you guys updated, of course, on the rest of this trip, but for now I'm just gonna sit, relax, and walk around and talk on the phone and so on. I'll see you when I'm in Brussels, probably. Bye. So quick update, I'm actually now in Brussels. I've been here for the past maybe 4 hours now. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm tired as hell. The 10 hours went by pretty fast, I would say. How was the flight itself? Very gassy. There was this woman beside me that, whoa, I don't know what she ate before she took that flight, but yeah, the flight was good. Not much turbulence, so that was perfect. Because I hate it. Turbulence is something that makes me so scared when I'm flying. And I had the most beautiful sunrise I've never seen. Well, I didn't even know the sun can be pink or look pink when it's rising from the horizon. But I'm using my phone right now because the camera, I don't know, it just causes too much attention, and it's quite a full airport. Well, not where I'm sitting here, but otherwise it's a full airport, and I don't like the attention with the camera. I don't know, I'm gonna have to work on that part and on being a public vlogger, so give me like a time. And yeah, I didn't sleep much either. I got like maybe 3 hours of sleep on the flight, so I'm dying to sleep right now. So I have like maybe, let's see, it's after 1 now here. I have until maybe 3 more hours until I start boarding for the next flight. What am I gonna do? I don't know. Stroll around again like I did in Montego Bay. Eat. Maybe, I don't know, maybe I can catch a nap here if it still remains this. If it remains like this, yeah, I might catch a nap for an hour or so. And see if I can sleep on the next flight to Sweden. So yeah, I don't know what else to update you guys on. I don't know how other vloggers can look so excited and be so excited when they do their airport vlogs. Like, maybe it's because mine is a long haul flight though, but yeah, I have no energy, none. I had to remove my makeup, just keep my brows done because the flight dried my skin out, so my makeup looked tacky, so I had to remove it and re-moisturize. But I look pretty flawless, I think. But yeah, so now it's just one more plane and then I'm seeing Alex. So yeah, I don't know if I'll vlog much more here because there isn't much more to vlog, so you guys will just see probably when I take off, or no, you won't see when I take off because it gets pretty dark soon, I think. So yeah, I don't know if I'll vlog anything more here, so you'll just see when I reach in Stockholm and I meet up with Alex. So yeah, keep watching. I'll see you soon. Okay, so I just landed in Sweden. It's already winter here, for fuck's sake. Yeah, so heading to get my bag, and then I head out to see Alex. I know I'm cold and I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous because this is the first time I'm seeing him. But I'm gonna get my bag. Okay, so apparently Alex saw me before I even see him, because the outside, the exit, you can see through a big glass there. Thank you. So he brought me food. Say hi. Wave. Alright, I'm gonna go wait for my bag. Why does Sweden gotta be so damn cold, man? Jesus Christ. It's like the winter is here. Tell you about coming up north. Now it's time to head home. Yeah, okay. We're gonna catch the bus and then head home. Okay, so now I'm finally settled. This is actually the day after, so because when I got in last night, I was so tired, so I just basically spent the rest of the night just catching up with Alex, eating some good food, drank some beer. I don't know like who drinks alcohol being tired. Me. But yeah, I did that, and so yeah, now I feel a little bit more energized. It's still quite a climate shift, I would say, comparing both countries. So yeah, and Alex is here doing some, what would you call that now, some little own stuff. So he's a bit focused. Yeah, but this is closing out this video. Thank you guys for coming on this journey with me all the way across the Atlantic basically, and we'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, by the way, for our new subscribers. I mean, it's not a big number, but for us it is, because we just started out and it's basically going good. I want to thank you for everybody who's new here. Thank you for subscribing, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.